Hello there. So you want to know how you can use the TIDAL student discount. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your TIDAL.com website. Make sure that you're logged in, go to your accounts and go to subscriptions, right? And that is where you're going to be on this page right over here, where there's individual, family and student available. In order to go ahead and prove that you're a student, you'll need to give a couple of IDs in order to go ahead and proceed. But as you can see, you'll get a 50% hefty discount, so around $5.99 a month. So that is about it. Just get the student pack and then you'll just get the discount automatically. All you need to do is just enter the details they ask you for, and I think they are gonna go ahead and redo it every year as well. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.